Good morning, my dear students. I am Vinay and I'll be teaching you science. Our first chapter is more about plants. And this first topic is reproduction. You can see in this picture, what does this picture signify? The picture signifies as mother has given birth to baby, or mother plant has given birth to baby plant. A baby plant has grown from seeds of mother plant. Okay, so let's come to first topic, reproduction. Reproduction is the process by which living organisms produce more of their kind. In the same way, plants produce more of their kind. Plants are produced from seeds. Plants. Plants are divided into two parts, flowering plant and non-flowering plants. Flowering plant, it refers to a plant that produces flowers, fruits and seeds. Example, tomatoes, apples. Plants in which flowers, fruits and seeds can be easily grown. Non-flowering plants, it refers to a plant that do not ever produce flowers. Example, ferns, mosses. Now, germination. Germination. What does germination means? Germination is the process by which baby plant grows from a seed in the presence of water, air and warmth. Here you can see water is there, air in there and sunlight is there. All these mixture gives birth to plant or help plant to grow. Adequate air, water and proper temperature is needed for the germination of plant. For a plant to grow easily, all these things are needed: water, air and sunlight. Now, stages of seed germination. The baby root grows from the soil and forms the root. The baby root grows down into the soil and forms the root. Baby shoot grows up out of the soil to form the stem. A seed needs adequate air, water and proper temperature to germinate. If any one of condition is missing, the seed cannot easily germinate. Okay, beta? Now, stages of seed germination. Here you can see a seed is there. From seed, a root is going down into the soil, and from that a shoot is grown, and then a proper plant is grown. Fine, beta? Proper air, water and adequate temperature helps a plant to germinate. Here you can see water is also there, air is there and sunlight is there. It helps a plant to grow. Now, seed dispersal. What does seed dispersal means? The process by which seeds are scattered away from the parent plant is called seed dispersal. Seeds are dispersed in different ways. They may be carried far away by wind, water or animals. They are called agent of dispersal. Some plants also expel their seeds explosively. That means that seeds are getting dispersed by wind, water, animal, and sometimes they burst open. Dispersal by wind. Beta, here you can see wind is blowing and seeds are getting scattered away with the wind. Some plants have seeds that are very light, they can be easily dispersed by the wind. Cotton and dandelion seeds have very fine and long hair around them, by which they can be easily carried away by the wind. In this dispersal by water, you can see in flowing water, seeds are getting dispersed away easily. The seeds of plants that grow in the near flowing water and are generally dispersed by water. The seeds of plants that grow in or near flowing water are generally dispersed by water. The seeds are light and can float. Flowing water carries seeds to places far off from where they were produced. Now, dispersal by animals. Here you can see an ant is carrying seed along with her. Dispersal by ants. Now, animal eat fruit but they cannot digest the seeds. These seeds are excreted from the body as droppings. After that, they germinate at places far from the parent plant. Some seeds such as xanthium have hooks or spines. They stick to the fur of animals, and when animals move from one place to another, these seeds get dispersed to new distant places. Here in this picture you can see that a monkey is eating a fruit, and the seeds, he cannot digest the seeds, so seeds are getting excreted from his body like droppings. Now, droppings are getting scattered here and there. From these droppings, a new plant will be grown. Okay, beta? Now, dispersal by explosion. The fruits of pea, geranium, gorse, spot, poppy and balsam burst open when they ripen. The seeds pop out and get scattered. Beta, you can see a pea plant is there. When it get ripen, it bursts open and seeds are getting dispersed. Okay, beta? So this is the end of our first video. Part B, I'll be giving you most probably tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Fine. Till then, revise these notes and take care of yourself. Have a good day.